Have you ever noticed how some people seem to draw others in with just their words? Your voice can be a powerful tool in attraction, and mastering it can significantly enhance your romantic appeal. Here are 5 effective ways to enhance your allure using tone and pitch. First, lower your pitch slightly. A deeper voice is often perceived as more attractive and confident, making you more appealing. Second, modulate your tone. Rich, varied tones can keep your listener engaged and convey emotions effectively, creating a captivating atmosphere. Third, slow down your speech. Speaking slowly not only projects confidence, but also allows your words to resonate, making them more impactful and memorable. Fourth, incorporate pauses. A well-timed pause can create suspense and draw attention to your next words, making them linger in the listener's mind. Finally, practice active listening. Responding thoughtfully shows you value the conversation, fostering a deeper connection. Remember, the goal is to create an atmosphere of intrigue and warmth. By applying these techniques, you can transform your voice into a magnet for attraction. Embrace your unique vocal qualities and watch how they elevate your charm and confidence in romantic situations.